Hello friends, this is Vivek from KitchenCat for you, and in today's video I am showing a quick hands-on with Lenovo Vibe P1M. Lenovo launched the Vibe P1M in India at a price tag of ₹7,999 and it is available exclusively on Flipkart. Although the registrations will start from today and it will go on sale starting 28. The Lenovo Vibe P1M is available in a flash sale model, so you have to register for it every time for every sale if you want to purchase this one. Talking about the specification, it features 5-inch HDD IPS display. The resolution is 1280 by 720 pixels. The resolution is pretty good and you will not find any problem with the resolution. While we'll have to use the phone in direct sunlight and tell you whether the resolution is good or not. Above the display there is a speaker grill, 5 megapixel camera with range of sensors. As you can see there, it is a low battery, so I have connected with a power bank so that I can create this video. Below the display there are capacity buttons and they are not everything. On the right hand side there is a power key and volume level buttons. And these are made up of steel. And on the left hand side there is a toggle switch according to Lenovo, although it is also known as physical power save button, by which you can easily save many of the battery by switching many of the applications. And clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings. So you can see that tapping on settings button gives you access to all the settings available on the smartphone. It runs on Android version 5.1 with Lenovo Vibe UI on top of it. It carries the model number Lenovo P1MA4G. It is powered by quad-core processor which clocks at 1 GHz. It's a 64-bit processor and there is no word on the Mac whether it's a MediaTek or Qualcomm. It has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. Out of 16 GB memory, only 9.91 GB is available for user, and the memory space is occupied by the operating system. Although you can expand the memory further by using micro SD card. Removing the back panel gives you access to dual SIM card slot and micro SD card slot. By using micro SD card slot, you can easily increase the memory up to 32 GB. And both the SIM supports 4G LTE connectivity, so you will get the 4G connectivity on both the SIMs if you use the Lenovo Vibe P1M. It packs 3900 mAh battery and it can be moved further. According to Lenovo, the 3900 mAh battery capacity offers you 16 hours of time and it offers a standby time of around 5 to 7 days, and it has 8 megapixel camera with LED flash and a mic, and it has a metal on the edges or sides. You can see the metal. At the top there is a 3.5mm audio jack and a micro USB slot for charging the device. It comes with the on-the-go features, which means you can use this smartphone to charge other smartphones too. In other words, it works as a power bank. At the bottom there is dual speakers which offers you a pretty good sound. It has all the usual connectivity features which you want to see there, like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and few more. Looking at the first glance, the phone looks pretty good, and it has plastic back panel which you will feel when you remove it. And at a price tag of nearly 8,000, it's a pretty good device, but when compared to other manufacturers, it will have to compete with other than the really outstanding device is Coolpen Note, which comes at a nearly same price, 8,999. and it comes with a fingerprint sensor, which, and by paying 1000 extra rupees you can easily get the full pen notary, but there is no after sales support, so you have to think about it. Otherwise, talking about the specification, both the devices are pretty good, but by paying 1000 rupees you will get a sensor on cool pen, fingerprint sensor on cool pen notary. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. We'll share more about the device in upcoming video. Do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the upcoming video.